Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that heartbeat bitter.
Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Christine if you are new. So today we're going to do a fun little vlog. I recently got my nails done. Look how cute they are. Also, I just got a gimbal, so I'm currently recording on my gimbal and it holds the phone steady. My mind is blown. Today we have a really fun day. Brand and I actually have a reservation at Felix, so I'm going to get ready for dinner. I'm probably going to film a little makeup get ready with me. I also have some packages to unbox. Tomorrow I'm going to Cartier to get a new ring, and we just have a lot of really fun things planned this week. I know you guys liked the last vlog that I did, so want to make this a more regular thing. And now that I have a gimbal, it'll be so much more fun to vlog. Okay, so this is what the gimbal looks like, and this is actually the DJI Osmo. It does actually come with a little tripod situation, so I can actually set it so it follows me. If you guys are interested in the Osmo, go ahead and link it down below, but I haven't used it enough to have like a good review on it, but as soon as I do, I definitely will let you guys know. Okay, so I set my phone to track. Can you see me? Can you see me? Oh no. I would say I recommend this device solely on the tracking. A portion of this video is sponsored by Nuuly, so thank you so much, Nuuly. If you didn't know, Nuuly is a clothing subscription service, and as you may know, I'm a firm believer in sustainable clothing. I don't like to support fast fashion, so I believe in slow fashion, thrifting pieces, and I think Nuuly is a really great clothing subscription service because it allows you to try out new clothes without being super wasteful or buying things that you know you will never wear. I would say I have a pretty big closet, so I actually avoid buying things that are like too trendy or things that I know I just won't wear forever. So Nuuly is actually really great because it allows me to try out new trends, new styles, even try out different sizing of jeans and stuff like that that I'm interested in without actually having to commit to buying them. So with Nuuly, you get to pick 6 items every single month. It's only $88, and I actually do have a discount code. It is ChristineNuuly20. I'll go ahead and pop it on the screen as well as down in the description box, but this will give you $20 off your first month with Nuuly, which I feel like is such a great deal. Okay, so these are the first 2 pieces that I selected for this month, and this sweater actually came with the tag still on. So this is from Free People, and obviously it was a brand new sweater. I feel like this is so cute, and I like that with the subscription service you can pick out pieces that you wouldn't normally wear. You can try different sizing if you're not sure what size you are. These jeans are from A Goldie. I love A Goldie, and I actually ended up going with a 26, but these ended up fitting me perfectly, and I wouldn't normally ever buy like baggy dark blue jeans, but these are so different from my usual denim collection, and I feel like it would be so fun to style. Okay, this next outfit is so cool. These jeans are actually from A Goldie, and they're like an ultra high waist situation. Like these go up past my rib cage. This top is something that I would never normally ever buy, and I feel like it's such a fun little outfit. I would totally wear these 2 pieces together, but especially this shirt is so fun and flirty. Okay, this is the next piece that I picked up, and I feel like this is so stinking cute. This dress is actually from Anthropologie. I have so many pieces in my closet where I bought it for a specific event and wore it one single time, and that's it. So this is actually a really cute dress that I feel like would be perfect for a wedding or special event. I could see myself styling this with like some boots or even cute sneakers. I also picked up this jacket that I feel like matches with it pretty nicely. Okay, this is kind of a vibe. I feel like maybe if the dress was a little bit short, this would still look cute too, but I'm actually going to Big Bear next week, and I needed like a thick, warm, kind of fun jacket, and I instantly gravitated towards this. It's a really fun jacket that really does dress up any outfit. Even if I was wearing like a plain t-shirt and jeans, this coat really helps to elevate the whole outfit. So yeah, those are all the pieces that I picked up from Nuuly this month, especially if I'm just renting them every single month. It is so much more sustainable, and then the next month I can go ahead and pick new pieces to try out. So I think Nuuly is a really great subscription subscription service, especially if you've been wanting to kind of change up your wardrobe but you don't want to spend a whole lot of money. I love Nuuly, and again, if you guys want to use my discount code, it is Christine Nuuly20, and I'll go ahead and leave that down below in the description box as well. I'll go ahead and link all of the pieces that I picked out from Nuuly if you guys want to go ahead and rent those for your first box as well. So big thanks to Nuuly for sponsoring this part of my video. I can't even see myself, but I think it's working. I actually gave my sister my vlogging camera a while back just because I want to solely film on my phone just because it's easier. It can film in 4K. And so anyways, I have some things here, so I thought it'd be fun to do a quick little unboxing. This is some athleisure that I got recently, and it's from a brand called, I forget what it's called. They don't have the brand on here, but I got these shorts and they have these like liquid legging pants. I have here a little package from Biore. I literally opened this last night. I actually haven't used their skincare in a really long time. I don't really know how I feel about it because a lot of the stuff contains lemon. Anyone that knows anything about skincare knows that lemon is not the best thing for your face. So I also got this new mask from a sustainable company, and it's called Stellari. This mask looked really, really pretty. It's super soft, but I'm pretty sure on their website, this is like a $25 mask, which is kind of a lot, but if it's sustainable, it's fine. I have a package here from You to the People. I love You to the People. I think this is their holiday kit. I don't even know what happened to October. I feel like this month has flown by so quick and companies are already skipping to Christmas. In here we have the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. We have the Kale. Oh my god, wow. Ooh. So this is a new sheet mask company called Loops. The packaging is just so big, but it feels very luxe and it's really fun and it makes me feel excited to do sheet masks. Ooh, I think this is the new M Cosmetics Daydream Cushion. SPF 50, comes in 6 different shades. This is a package from Then I Met You. They sent over a cute little crew neck because they just turned 2. I love my brand merch, as you can see. It has a little stain, but that's okay. Unboxings are all fun and games until you have to put everything away. Hello, so I just filmed a video on this look right here, and it's kind of like a purple eye look that I recreated in my last glow recipe video, and I'm obsessed with the way that it came out. We actually have plans to go meet Rachel and her mans for dinner at Felix, which I'm really excited for. And then if you guys don't know, I actually have a video editor now, so I actually need to quickly upload all the files and send it to her so she can edit it for my video on Thursday. Also, I'm obsessed with this gimbal. If you are any type of like vlogger or you do any type of iPhone video, I highly recommend it. I love that I can just set it down and it tracks me. Hello friends, so we are back home. Dinner was amazing. So we went to Felix in West Hollywood, and honestly, some of the best pasta I've ever had in my life. It is around 9 p.m. and I have to be up early because I have to film a story takeover for Revolve, and then I also have to drive into Beverly Hills because I'm going to Cartier to get my new ring. So I'm super excited. I'm also going to be hanging out with Ginny for the rest of the day. Good morning friends. So it is currently 7:30 and I don't normally wake up this early, but I have to meet Ginny at her place because we are going to Cartier together. Listen to this podcast with the sleep doctor that was actually super informative. So if I remember, I'll go ahead and link the podcast down below. Some of his tips for getting the best sleep and most consistent sleep. One of them was to wake up at the same time every single day, so it kind of trains your body that that's the time that you need to be up. So I've been forcing myself to get up around 7:30 or like right before 8, just so that I can like be productive in the morning, just because my body normally wakes up naturally around 10 and it's just so hard to be productive when I wake up that late. It's been a couple weeks of doing it, and today I naturally woke up around 7. Another one of the tips that the sleep doctor said was to try to get sunshine in the morning, because that like tells your body that it's time to wake up, and it helps you to feel more alert and awake. And so that I've normally been doing that, but it's actually pretty cold today, so I was like, I'll get my sunshine from this window right here.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me.
Oh yeah, and she got it engraved too.
Yeah, it says, look how it says, can you see it? See ya.
I'm on high.
How pretty.
Oh yeah,
It's so small and simple.
yeah, that is so you.
Yeah, and it fits on both of my fingers.
Do you love it?
I love it. I'm so happy. My God. Custom shirt. Hello friends, so I am back home. Earlier today, Ginny and I went and got lunch at Earth, and we met one of our girlfriends, Sarah, so that was really fun. I need to clean up today because Rachel and Ginny are about to come over in a bit. We're gonna make dinner and do the sauna. We're gonna do some skincare. I'm very excited, and Brandon and his grandma are actually gone right now, so that's why I've been dog sitting and sleeping with the doggos.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter.
Look at your hair right now.
Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left.
Came in the mail! Oh my god, I'm gonna force Ginny to stay here and play with me. I'm so excited. First of all, I didn't even know it came with this many parts.
You know, Christine is excited when she didn't even drink her matcha.
I didn't even touch it yet. Oh my god, I'm gonna bring this to Big Bear. And we're gonna play Mario Kart.
Oh my god, I love Mario
And
Kart.
Mario Party, and wow.
Oh, that new snap feeling.
Hello friends, so Ginny just left and my Switch just came in the mail, and I was so excited. I plugged it into the TV, I set it up, I put in my Animal Crossing game, only to find out that Animal Crossing data does not transfer over to a new Switch. Trying to figure out how to get my data to transfer. I'm watching a little tutorial. Oh my god, it might be working.
Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're
It
going on.
worked! I actually have an appointment to get laser hair removal, which I totally forgot. I was talking to Rachel and she was telling me how amazing laser hair removal was, so I spontaneously booked it, and that appointment is going to be at 6 p.m. today, so that is in about 3 hours, so I'll take you guys with me. You faker! Hello. So I just filmed a little campaign video. This is my little TikTok for Laura Mercier, and I wanted to show you this little setup that I have currently. This is my trusty ring light. I have inside like the super bendy tripod situation. It's really good for holding phones. And then I have this mammoth backdrop. This is actually expandable, so it actually folds up into 1/3 of the size, so it's nice to pack away, but it's great if you need like a all white backdrop that requires hardly any setup at all. So I actually got this from Amazon. I love it. It's 5 feet by 7 feet, so it is a big boy. Hello, so this is Christine from the future. I'm actually editing this vlog and realizing that I never talked about the laser hair removal experience. It honestly was equally as painful as waxing and sugaring, but I will say that it was a lot quicker and it felt a lot like rubber band snaps. So I did the Brazilian in my armpits, and my armpits was not that bad, but when they did the Brazilian and they were like up in my lady parts, I was like, this shit hurts. Okay, one thing that I also wish I knew beforehand is you're supposed to shave the day before, and I hate shaving. That is like the reason why I do waxing and sugaring. With lasering, you actually do have to shave before and the day after. Also, I still have hair there, so I don't know if the laser place like did a bad job or, and I think long term, I think it's great that your hair doesn't come back the same price, if not cheaper than my sugarings. I'm gonna keep going, if not to this studio, maybe a new one, and I will update you guys in a future video. Brad and I are headed to our workout, and it's about 20 minutes away, so I get a little bit of Animal Crossing time. Today I have to film some stuff, and then Rachel's coming over, and then I think I will...
What's up, guys? I'm coming for you.
Look at her costume.
Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Your undying ego.
I hope you guys had fun following along for the week. Actually was just on my brother's stream and we played Among Us, and that was my first time playing, and that was actually super fun.
She's not even doing a task. If Christine can do a task, we get a pog in the chat for her. Oh my gosh. Is she gonna vent? Oh!
Anyways, that is the end of... Oh. Okay, this is the end of the vlog. Bye!